Hello, my name is Richard Feliciano, and I am putting this video to warn anybody that's thinking about buying a microwave from Sears or any other appliance. We bought this microwave 3 months ago from Sears. This microwave is a Samsung model, and as a precaution I bought the extended warranty. And this microwave, which was purchased September 2nd, started experiencing problems early December. When we turned it on, the unit started smoking and emitting a toxic smoke. Foul smelling that basically is permeated throughout the microwave and the house. So when we called Sears, they said they'd send a technician out. It was going to be 3 weeks. And they just arrived the other day, and when we turned it on, he tried it out, and as you can see, in this case all I have is a measuring cup with some water in it. I hit start, and soon we'll be getting some smoke. Sears does not feel that they need to replace this unit, even though I have the warranty and I requested that the unit be removed from the house because it's pretty obvious it's unsafe. It's emitting smoke, and the smoke is now just starting, and like I said, it's real foul smelling. It's really toxic. I'm unplugging the unit now because I don't want this smell any more in the house than I need to. That's not steam. That's a blue acrid smoke. And like I said, when we asked Sears, when I asked the Sears technician whether they would get rid of this unit and replace the unit with something that was safer, they said no, they want to try to fix it. I said, what about all the smoke and the potential for fire? They said they did not want to address that concern. All they cared about is fixing the unit because they don't feel the need that they're responsible for replacing this unit. I just wanted to post this on YouTube so everybody can see the kind of company that Sears is. They have no problem jeopardizing a residential home so that they can save a few bucks, even though it's something that they should have stood by, because they sold me the unit, they sold me the warranty, and they have the technician witness this fire hazard in action. Thanks.